My name is Eric, and my wife and I utilized Sean Cleary for his legal services regarding an issue we had with a particular health institution and my son. We felt that they were negligent in dealing with him and did not act in a timely fashion, and ultimately that caused later health issues for him that were detrimental to his overall care. My wife is actually the one who found Sean. She found him by way of his website, and she looked through the reviews and decided to give him a call. I was a little reluctant, but I decided that I would support my wife's decision, and ultimately, it was a great decision. It was a long process, this legal journey that we were a part of. It was a very trying process as well because it forced us to have to live through some of the past history, health history with our son. And a lot of that was traumatic. I cannot speak highly enough of how careful uh, and caring Sean Cleary was when it came to just managing our emotions in addition to the legal process. There were certain things that we did not want to necessarily do. And Sean Clary was extremely helpful in educating us as to the pros and cons of the different options we could take part in and the different options we had. While he is absolutely the legal expert, he still let us have a little bit of control in regards to deciding, what path we wanted to take. He was extremely knowledgeable about the legal process as a whole and did a marvelous job and just making sure that we understood everything that was happening. His communication, again, was excellent. Keep in mind, a lot of times these legal processes they're long, and it could take some time before decisions are made. And honestly, not even decisions, but just from getting to one step to another step. And Sean was amazing at making sure that we knew what was happening, and just keeping us alert as to, the different stages that we were passing through. When you have a child that has gone through a a traumatic health incident and you decide to go down the road of taking legal action, it is a very trying process. And you need a legal partner, a lawyer that is going to be patient with you as you have questions, who's going to be there when you make a phone call, right? He has always been available. After the legal process is ended, he still remains attentive to us and still picks up the phone when we call. And I could not suggest or prescribe a better legal partner, better lawyer for you to partner with than Sean Cleary. Again, he is attentive, he is highly educated in the legal process, he is patient, and for his clients, he's going to fight for you and he's going to push. And he's just a very caring person. And I think that was probably one of the biggest things that attracted us to working with him. Please, if you are looking for a legal partner, I would strongly suggest Sean Cleary.